In today's video, we are going to look at how to calculate the square of the numbers which are close to the base numbers. Like we consider base as 10 as a base, 100 as a base, 1000 as a base, 10,000 as a base. So numbers which are very close to the base, how to calculate square of those numbers. So just we'll look at one example. Consider 98. If you want to calculate 98 square, that is 98 into 98. So the closest base to 98 is 100. So we will compare our number 98 with the base 100. So our number 98 is 2 less to 100. So we'll write that difference as minus 0.2 because it is 2 less to 100. So minus because it is less and by 2 units. So 0.2 by 0.2 because base is 100. So number of digits will be 2 as the number is 98. Now the next step is you have to add the cross numbers. That means either you have to add 98 and minus 0.2 or this 98 and minus 0.2. Both will give same answer. Because it is minus 0.2, 98, even if you add, it will be 2 will be subtracted from 98 and what you get is 96. 98 minus 2 is 96. And then you have to multiply the differences from the base. So minus 0.2 into minus 0.2, minus will become plus and 2 2s are 4. But that also will write in 2 digits, that is 0.4. And that is your answer for 98 square, 9604. So this is how you can calculate square of those numbers which are close to the base. So look at another example. Suppose you want to calculate 107 square, 107 square. Now our number is greater than the base. So 107 square is nothing but 107 into 107 and the base is again 100. The closest base is 100. So now we'll try to compare 107 and the base which is 100. So our number 107 is 7 more than 100. That is plus 0.7. That is plus 0.7. So the difference from the base is positive, plus 0.7. Now the rule remains same. The next step is you have to add the cross numbers. So 107 plus 7 is 114. And then you have to multiply the differences or the distances from the base. That is 7 into 7 is 49. And that will write into 2 digits because the base is 100. And that is your answer. 11,449 is the square of 107. We'll take another example. Suppose you want to find 992 square. So in case of 992, the closest base is 1000. So we'll compare our number 992 with 1000. So our number 992 is 8 less to 1000. Is 8 less to 1000. And now we'll write that difference in 3 digits because our number is 3-digit number. Closest base is 1000. So we'll write that difference in 3 digits. So it is minus 0.008. Same for the second number. Next step is you have to add the cross numbers. You have to add the cross numbers. So 992 plus minus 0.008. That means you have to subtract 8 from 992. So what you get is 984. And then you have to multiply the distances from the base. So minus will become plus. 8 8s are 64, but that will write in 3 digits. 3 digits. So 0.64. And that is your answer for square of 992. It is 9,84,064. That is your square of 992. Now we'll take another example. Now the number is 1012. We are trying to find square of 1012. Again the base is 1000. So we'll compare our number 1012 with the base 1000. Our number 1012 is 12 more than 1000. So the difference is positive and it is 12. The next step is you have to add the cross numbers. So when you add the cross numbers, 1012 plus 012. 1012 plus 012 will be 1024. That is the addition of cross numbers. And then you have to multiply the distances. So 12 square is 144. And again that 144 will write in 3 digits because the base is 1000. Okay. So now if you want to find the square of 1012, that is your square of 1012, 10,24,144. Now we'll take another specific case where we are going to consider the carry also. So suppose you want to find square of 88. So 88 is nothing but 88 into 88. 88 square is nothing but 88 into 88. and the closest base is 100. So we'll compare our number 88 with 100, and our number 88 is 12 less 200. So the difference is minus 1, 2, minus 12. Now the next step is you have to add the cross numbers. So 88 minus 12, you will get 76. And now you have to multiply the distances. So minus minus will become plus, but 12 into 12 is 144. And we cannot write 144 into two digits because the closest base is 100. We have to write the difference in 2 digits, and we cannot write 144 in 2 digits. That means we have to consider this one as a carry. And this carry is forwarded to the next section. So 76 will become 77. We have to add that carry to the next section. So it will become 77, and the remaining number 44 remains as it is, and that is your answer. 7744 is the square of 88. So this is how you can find a square of the numbers which are close to the base very easily without using even pen and paper. If you solve few examples, you'll understand the technique. In next video, I'll give some more fun related details about maths. Thank you.